Alright class, so welcome back to our second sessions, and this session is the last session of our weeks since today is Friday already. So I will try my best to make sure that this lesson will be a little bit shorter so that you can um, get an idea of the lesson at the same time and enjoy this lesson as well. So in today's video here, the title of this lesson is the descriptive and the process paragraph. This is the writing skill lesson, and after you watch this video, you will understand about the different type of paragraph. We have many different type of paragraph, but in this video, we focus on only the two main type of paragraph, which is the descriptive and the process. So what are these type of paragraph and what should you do with this type of paragraph? So now let's look at the contents about this video. So first of all, you will learn the descriptive paragraph and the reason for writing them. Why you need to write a descriptive paragraph, and then how you can organize and write a descriptive paragraph itself. The same for the process paragraph. We will look at the reason of writing this paragraph and then how you can organize by using transition and how to write the process of this process paragraph. So let's start with the descriptive paragraph. So descriptive paragraph, the meaning here is to describe or explain how someone or something looks or how something feels. If you look at the house in the background picture here, someone will ask you to describe this house. So if you're writing a paragraph to describe the look of this house, it is called descriptive paragraph, because the main idea of descriptive paragraph is to describe, to explain, right, how someone or something looks or feels. So descriptive paragraph, you can describe a person, things, places, or whatever that you can describe. So how you can start to write a descriptive paragraph, right? To describe some things, what you need to use? Sure, you need to use adjective to describe noun, right? So noun can be people, can be animal, can be place, or it can be things. So to describe those things, you need to use adjective. So there are many different adjectives. The adjective related to the shape and size, okay, we have the word large, small, wide, narrow, round, rectangular. All these adjectives you can use to describe the objects, whether it's big or small. The atmosphere. So atmosphere is cozy, which means warm, comfortable, cold, hot, so on and so forth. So you can use to describe the room, you can use to describe the place, right? About feelings, it can be amazed, surprised, happy, okay, nostalgic. For appearance, you can use the word colorful, unforgettable, beautiful, unattractive. So these are the adjectives, just some of them, as the example that you can use to describe people, to describe place, to describe animals. So if you write a paragraph to describe someone, about their appearance, about their characteristic, this paragraph is called descriptive paragraph. So how can you use descriptive paragraph here? You can use to describe place around you. So the place, mostly you can use prepositions. So the prepositions tell us how a space is organized. These are common and useful prepositions. So we have the word in front of, behind, so on and so forth. We have the word between right here as well. So when you see the topic, for example, describe your hometown. So you can use prepositions to describe the building, to describe any specific place. Moreover, you can describe a character. So a character can be a people, your favorite singer, your favorite football player. So to describe this, you use adjective, right? So adjective about personality and the physical characteristics. To describe a person, there are some questions for you to think of when you write some descriptive paragraph. So who is the person that you are describing? And what does the person do? What is his or her job? And what does he or she look like? We talk about the appearance. How does the person act about the characteristic? And what is his or her personality like? How does he or she make other feel? So these are the questions that very useful when you are writing a descriptive paragraph to describe someone that you like or you don't like. Alright, so after we finish the descriptive paragraph, now let's move on to the last type of our paragraph today, which is the process paragraph. So process paragraph is a description of how to do something. It explains the step you need to follow to complete an activity. So in our speaking to the book, you also learn to give a presentations about the process. Again, it's really similar to the speaking and writing as well. The main focus of the process paragraph is the transition, how you move from one step to another step. So we need to use transition. So transition are words that connect the step in a paragraph. Transition words and phrases show the relationships between the ideas in a paragraph. They are not used between every sentence, but are used often enough to make the order clear. Here are some common transition words and phrases that show time order or the order of steps, right? The important things that you should keep in mind in writing a process paragraph, make sure your reader understand how many processes are there and the order of the process. That is why you need to use transition. So those transition, we have the word first, second, third, next, then, after that, finally, the last step, before, while, so on and so forth. So the order, it can be the time order or the process orders. Okay, everyone, so after we talk about those two type of paragraph, which is the descriptive paragraph and the process paragraph, I hope you get some idea about those topics. When you see the topics, you can categorize or know what type of paragraph that you should write. If you see the topic, for example, let's say your favorite place, it must be a descriptive paragraph that you need to describe your favorite place, or how to create Facebook account. Sure, this is the topics about the process. Alright everyone, so seem like we have learned a lot from our two video lesson today. And today is Friday, which is the last day of our week, and you will have 2-day holidays. So everyone, enjoy your holiday. Good luck and stay safe. Goodbye. See you on Monday.